I'm Laura, and I'm going to take you through quite a short meditation to encourage compassion, compassion that we can hold for ourselves, compassion that we can extend to each other. And so often we're quite unkind to ourselves. That unkindness can spread outside of ourselves. So my hope is that this short practice will help you refocus, recenter. You'll want to come into a seated position somewhere that's quiet, where you won't be disturbed for the next 5 minutes or so. And from your seat, you want to allow yourself to maybe be propped up on something to allow the knees to come down a little lower than the hips, but anywhere that allows the spine to lengthen, the shoulders to soften. That's exactly where you want to be. So once you have yourself situated, find that length in the spine. You might want to close your eyes or allow them to softly focus somewhere in the distance. And we'll take a moment to bring the attention to the body, noticing if there are any areas of tightness, of tension, of holding, and bringing a sense of tenderness, of gentleness to those areas. Maybe you send a rich, oxygenated breath to any parts of your body that are feeling that tension, that tightness or soreness. And as you exhale, letting all of that go. Noticing if anything's coming up in your mind. Are there feelings of vulnerability, of anger, of fear? Sending some kindness and tenderness into any of those spaces. Using a full, rich in-breath to draw in a sense of love, of kindness, compassion. And with your exhale, releasing anything negative, anything that no longer serves you. We'll come into the movement part of this meditation. We'll take about 6 big breaths. With the inhalations, the hands come to the heart. With the exhalation, the arms open, spreading wide. So bringing your hands in front of your chest, palms touching. And we'll start by bringing the compassion to ourselves. With an inhale, draw in compassion. As you exhale, spread your hands, spreading compassion to those near you, your friends, your family, your loved ones. Inhale, allowing the compassion to come deep within you. Exhale, spreading wide, sending compassion to your extended circle, friends of friends, acquaintances, colleagues. Inhale, drawing in that compassion for yourself, internalizing it. Exhale, your compassion extends to your entire city, your region, your state. Inhale, bringing compassion to the center of your being. Exhale, extending grace to your whole country, the neighboring countries, the entire continent. Inhale for the second to last time, solidifying the sense of compassion for yourself. Exhale long, spreading the arms wide, sending grace and tenderness to the whole planet, letting it encircle the world. Inhale deep and slow, bringing compassion into every cell of your being, allowing that compassion to sit at the heart of you. Returning your breath to its normal rhythm. Releasing the hands down. Allowing yourself to sit in this moment. Noticing once more what's happening in your mind, in your body, with your breath. And know that the light inside of me recognizes and honors that same light in you. Namaste.